So Japan's Sakurajima volcano, it's been erupting like crazy this week. 135 eruptions in just 7 days. And over 70 of them were explosive. On just one day alone, there were 11 eruptions, with one ash plume rising to 0.6 kilometers into the sky. Locals say they can't even see the road's ash is that thick. One woman said she couldn't drive because she literally couldn't see through the ash. Others report loud booming sounds and fiery flashes lighting up the night. People are nervous, some even preparing for evacuation. Japan's government says there's no sign of a major eruption, but magma's rising. The mountain is swelling, so the question is that, are we ready if it suddenly blows?